easy all this while, So now let me try to just create something, but we are going to meet, so we will discuss better. So here is my folder file. I know this might be useful for some of you. Create a folder on your desktop, open. Okay, I'm opening the folder. Now I can do highlight it. Okay, type CMD, press enter. Alright, this is another way of opening your project on VS Code and Visual Studio Code. So you type code space dot and press enter. It will open the folder on Visual Studio Code. Okay, it's opening. Okay, so we have this. Alright, so now if you see this, we've talked about data types, right? We talked about data type. You can go and review the video again, and if you are not clear with that, you can ask me. And I told you guys to go and look at variable. Okay, so here is string concatenation. String concatenation is joining two strings together. Of course, this is how we define or create a string variable. A string variable will always be in either a double quotation mark or single. Okay, this is what I mean. Okay, so if I have anything now, this will be a string. Okay, so the string concatenation is joining two or more strings together, and this is my example. Okay, let me start Quokka here. Do Ctrl Shift P, and where's Quokka? Quokka on current file. You can see this. Okay, you choose that. So it's starting the Quokka. Okay, you can see now. I started it. Let's wait for a second. Okay, so you can see let full name equals to, I'm concatenating the strings, meaning I'm joining the strings together, first name and last name. But I'm also joining, in order to produce this space, I had to put this. So this is a space. Okay, so I had to concatenate empty string so that this will give me the space I'm looking for. Okay, so this will produce the space I'm looking for. So you see the console log of full name gives me Manuel Matthew. Alright, then you can do another example also. What if I concatenate this one here, the variable I created? Okay, you can see it. Okay, so it's joined with this. What do? I can concatenate this again, concatenate with space. Did you see that? So you can try your example. You can try. Okay, so going to string literals now. String literals is another topic. this is a way of writing, it's you're going to write clean concatenation with this. So the way you do that is you put back ticks. This is not quotation, this is not a single quotation mark. This sign is like this, and you can find it in your keyboard. I don't know if your keyboard is same as mine, but after your tab key or is the extreme key after your 1. That's talking about numbers key. The extreme end after 1. Okay, so you'll be able to get that. Just press that key, that keyboard key at the extreme end after 1. Okay, and it's also next to is before escape. Okay, it's before escape key. So I believe you should be able to find it now. Alright, so and this is what I did. I'll say hello, so I'll put dollar curly brace, and then I put my variable, then dollar curly brace, I put my variable, right? First name, last name. So in this, you observe that I don't need to start creating a bunch of empty strings, whatever, so I can get space. I don't need that. With the power of template literals, I should be able to just do this hello and then put dollar curly brace, and then if I want another one, I can, let's say the last variable I created, right? So you can see it's got space by itself. So that's template literals. Okay, and also you can, all right, so let's look at something else. Let's look at something else. Let's look at objects. JavaScript objects. I think Coca is messing up what I'm trying to type here. Okay. Okay, so that's that for templates literals. You can try that too. And also I want to show us what we can do with okay, so I will have another video to explain that.